Good morning, traders. It's the 7th of December 2022, and we're going to be doing our analysis. David speaking here. We're doing our analysis for four pairs today. The usual four pairs. It's Brent Oil, it's Crude Oil, it's Bitcoin, and it's Euro. And let's get straight into it. On the Euro daily in front of us here, you'll see that we've got quite a bit of housekeeping to do. Yesterday we said we've got our current A high and our current B low. And you can see we've got a nice morning star formation. We've been saying for a few days we're looking for a test of that morning star formation. Yesterday we said we're in the B failure territory down here. We could look for something that will signal that price is going to bounce. And we also said alternatively, if price doesn't and it moves down and takes out this B low on a sustained basis, then we've got a new AB swing in place. So let me do some housekeeping here. Let me take that out. So here, this will be our new A high. Okay. And again, we'll put a B down here with a question mark because we don't officially have a B low yet. And you can see we've got continuation of the downtrend on this time frame. Let's move down to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we've also got housekeeping to do. Yesterday, we said we've got, there's our current A high and there's our B low. Price came nicely up to the 8.6, just shy of the A high, gave us a nice evening star formation, gave us a test the day before. We climbed in on this trade the day before on Monday, and we made our pips for the day, for the week I should say. And then we said price is going to fall down to somewhere around 82.50, 82.50, 82.60, somewhere around there we said. And you can see price stalled down at 82.52, but we were looking yesterday, we said we are going to look for something bullish for showing us that price is going to be going up. Okay, if we don't get it and price carries on down, remember we are in a downtrend. We're just looking for areas of support, but we are in a downtrend. And when price bounces at the 8.6 level, okay, according to the Fibonacci retracement tool, when price bounces at the 8.6 level, we expect it to exhaust itself at the 118. And you can see price came right down. There's the 118 level. Price came right down to the 118, just shy of the 127, and found support at that level. So we need to do some housekeeping. This here will become our new A high. It's also a C. Okay. And if I were to label my charts correctly, this here is also a D. Okay, so price reached A, B, C, D. That's the full swing that's completed. But we also now, at the same time, we are waiting for a B low to form. Actually, we've got a B low, guys. On this time frame, we've got a B low. So I can draw my fibs because you can see there's the low candle of yesterday. There's two candles to the right. We're working on the third one, and they are higher than this low here. So we've got a low in place. So there's our AB swing. Again, we will be looking for price to rally up to higher levels for a retracement because we are looking to sell the high. If price falls down over this trading session today on the 7th, if price does fall down and takes out this B low, okay, then we will look for a new B to form, okay, but we are looking for a swing low to form like this. Can you see there's a swing low there, there's a swing low there. We don't quite have that yet, but if price does push up from this level here, then we will have a swing low. But for now, it's a B. We might find that if price does poke down and gives us a lower low, then we'll have a bit of a new B for now. But no trading opportunities as such on this time frame at all. The 1-hour chart, it's the same swing, exactly the same swing like the 4-hour chart. There's our A high, our B low, 8.6. Test of that 8.6. This is where we got in on Monday. Price has fallen. Yesterday, price continued down, and you can see again, same like the 4-hour, reached the 118 level. So here we also have to do some housekeeping on this time frame. So this here becomes the new A high. And down here, if we label this chart correctly, this here will become the D. So we've got a completed A, B, C, D. Continuation of the downtrend, making lower highs and lower lows. Here we've also got a B in place already. I can remove this fib, we're done with it. I can remove that as well, just to tidy it up a little, make it a bit bigger. So there's our current AB swing. Okay. So if I pull the fibs from there down here, it's exactly the same swing on the 4-hour chart. Again, let's see if price does rally up to higher levels where we can look for sells, for short entry opportunities. For now, we don't have any trade on this pair at all. So moving down to the 5-minute chart, you can see that, let me move down to the 5-minute chart. Yesterday there were trading opportunities that we would have lost out on. Let me go back to the 1-hour quickly. You can see on the 1-hour chart down here, you can see that price fell nicely down to the 81.27 area. Several hours later, price gave us a bullish candlestick formation and then carried on falling. What does that look like down at the 5-minute chart? On the 5-minute chart yesterday, this fall over here is this bearish candle over here. Okay, so remember we were saying if we do find support, then we will be trading long. I know it's counter the downtrend, but a lot of the time when the B failure holds, then it gives us a bullish candlestick formation. In this case, because we're in a downtrend. If we're in an uptrend, then we're looking for a bearish candlestick formation. So here we would have been looking for a bullish candlestick formation, and what do we always say on the 5-minute chart? We're looking for a test of it, and then we'll climb in on the test. Then that's exactly what we did up here, test of it and climbed in on the test. So let's go down to the 5-minute chart. So this is that bearish activity. You can see there's a nice clear bullish candlestick formation over there. Price came down, tested it, okay, in fact came down again, tested it again, and here gave us another nice bullish candlestick formation. Had you entered on this test, you would have still have been in this trade all the way till there. Okay, you would have been some, let me see how many pips is that, 71, some 70 pips in the money. Okay, if you had entered over there till the high that it reached. And then take note, price then U-turned, came all the way down, never gave us another test. Had you still been in that trade, you would have been stopped out with 100 pips. Had you moved your stop up to 0, you would have been stopped out with nothing, with no loss. And then price continued all the way down, never ever gave us. If you want to say that this is a bullish candlestick formation, there was no test again. So for those that thought, okay, maybe we're getting another level of support forming, you can see there was no test because it just carried on down and there wasn't anything since. Okay, so for today, we don't have, for those of you that trades the 1-hour chart, okay, and only take bullish candlestick formation on the 1-hour chart, here would have been the actual entry at 82.19, and you can see that price fell all the way down in that very hour and stopped you out. Okay, so for now we are still in a bearish AB swing, a new bearish AB swing. We're still in a downtrend on the 1-hour chart, so we'll be looking to sell rallies at higher levels. Crude oil, let's see what happened in crude oil. Crude oil a bit different to Brent oil in that you can see this is our 4-hour chart. We are in an inverse head and shoulders reversal pattern here still. We are in a bullish AB upswing, A low, B high. Again, that was the BF 786 after a 382 bounce. So we expected price to head off to the 50. Yesterday, price even went right down further, right till the A low, but we haven't taken it out on a sustained basis. You can see we just poked through and came back up again. So what we're looking for here, we are in a bullish AB swing. So we are looking for long entry opportunities on this chart specifically. So let's see today, does price give us a bullish candlestick formation, hinting that we're going to be heading up into higher levels, or does it actually continue the fall and take out this A low? Then if it does take out this A low, we've got a continuation of the downtrend. Then that negates this whole inverse head and shoulders pattern that's in the process of being formed. It's not confirmed. It will only be confirmed if it takes out this B high area here. Then it will be confirmed. Up until now, we are still in the bullish AB swing, but it hasn't been confirmed. If it takes out this low on a sustained basis, we've got the resumption of downtrend. So let's see what we get on crude oil today. Moving down to the 1 hour chart, it's the same swing, A low, B high, failure, price falls all the way down. Yesterday, price carries on down, and you can see here, we've got a, let me make that a bit bigger. You can see here, we've got a bit of support that's formed here. Let's see if we do get a test of this low area today, followed by another bullish candlestick formation to go up. So 73.50 must hold, okay? 73.50, 73.40 must hold today in order for us to rally on up. Okay, so if we do get to that level and we do find support on the 5-minute chart, like I always say, we wait for a test, a clear test. If we do get that test, we then climb in on a bullish candlestick formation. If price carries on down, okay, then we have resumption of downtrend. So we'll sit and wait for the right trading scenario to present itself before we climb in on a trade. Euro daily, like we said before, here's our A low, there's our B high, B high, question mark. We still don't have a B high. We've got one day to the right because this every candle here represents a day's trading activity. So we've got one candle to the right there. So we'll still wait to see if this does become the B high. Euro on the 4-hour chart, same swing like we have on the daily, A low, B high. You can see prices come virtually down to the 382 yesterday. We like prices to come down to the 618 or even the 786. I mentioned yesterday we've got nice support at the 786. Let's see if we do come down as low as that. Even if we bounce from current levels, it's not really our major area of interest that we like to actually trade on. The 1-hour chart is slightly different in that we've got a smaller AB swing on the 1-hour chart. You can see there's our most recent A low, there's our most recent B high. Yesterday we said price came midway between the 618 and the 786. We rallied up a bit, but now price is at that 786. Look at that, at that 786. So let's see, do we get a bit of a test today? Do we rally from current levels? If we do rally from current levels, again, you can step down to the 5-minute chart, look for a test of that level, and then climb in on a long trade. If price continues to fall down and we take out this A low, then we're starting a reversal on this time frame. Okay, it needs to be a sustained break of the A low. That's Euro for today. And then Bitcoin, let's see what happened on Bitcoin yesterday. Let's back up quickly again just to show you the AB swing that we're in. For those that are new, current A high, current B low. You can see we're in this sideways action for a long time. This is virtually the whole month of November that we're in the sideways activity. You can see we came midway between the 382 and the 50. We bounced off that level, like we said, at the BF 786. We then tested that area, and then here past resistance became future support. Let me make that a bit bigger so you can see it a bit easier. These levels over here, and then we said with price having fallen back, we've actually got room to fall down to this area here, 16,700, 16,500 area. But long term, over the next several sessions, we're looking at price heading up to 18,500 over coming sessions. If price does not, and we fall from current levels and we take out this below area over here at 15,566, if we take out that area, then this will become our new A high and we'll have continuation of the downtrend. Okay, but typically speaking, 382 bounces, we don't particularly like taking 382 bounces because they lend themselves to aggressive trends if price moves in that direction. But just for the sake of showing the actual system, if we do get a bullish candlestick formation with a prior 382 bounce, we're looking at price heading to a 5-0 overcoming sessions. So guys, don't worry if you don't understand the terminologies and stuff too much. The ABCDs, how we label our chart, the Fibonacci, ratios and swings. Fibonacci's are fantastic leading indicators. And then my proprietary terminology, the BF786, BF86, these will all be taught probably early in Feb. I'll post the actual course on this channel. So subscribe to the channel and click the bell notification. I do daily updates every single day, Monday to Friday, and we'll give you the trading view for the day and what to look out for, and then how to actually trade for the day ahead. Okay, so that's it for now. Like I said, subscribe, and we will be back tomorrow morning on Wednesday. Sorry, it is Wednesday today. Sorry, on Thursday the 8th, we'll be back. Okay, enjoy the trading day, guys. And if there's no trading opportunity, we don't trade. Cheers, bye.